Hi, I'm Carl Prosser, one of the authors of Powershell Analyzer. The first half of this video will introduce it and describe some of its features while contrasting it with Powershell at the console level, a natural fit in extending the admin development model. The second half is a fast-running visual flyby with music demonstrating some of the possibilities and is intended to excite and inspire you to begin the journey to a future of admin scripting and real-time programming. If you don't want to hear my ramblings and only want to see the second part, then fast forward to about 3 minutes 30 seconds, then sit back, relax, take the red pill and enter the PowerShell. There is a world beyond the world you currently know. So what is Powershell Analyzer? Well, it's a host for PowerShell, for the PowerShell engine, just like PowerShell.exe is a host for the PowerShell engine. PowerShell.exe is a very small host, a console host, while this is actually a full GUI host. And as you can see, you can do instructions just like in PowerShell, and you get the console results back, as well as a full GUI experience with the .NET objects, because PowerShell is a .NET environment. It's definitely a real-time environment, just like the console is a real-time environment as well. In fact, you can see here we're returning full rich .NET objects that you can see the properties and even the metadata descriptions of those properties in that .NET object, in this case system.diagnostic.process. PowerShell Analyzer is also an editor, an IDE if you must, a way of writing more than one line, whether you're just doing a couple of lines to run now or a full PowerShell script file. Its experience is very like SQL Query Analyzer, where you can just highlight a line or a couple of lines and press R5 to run it now, because again it's a real-time environment. Finally, PowerShell is a way of interacting with your PowerShell queries. It has a full range of visualizers for .NET objects. So how is PowerShell Analyzer different than PowerShell.exe? Well, first of all, PowerShell Analyzer is PowerShell. It's using the full PowerShell engine. We will strive to become the PowerShell host of choice for you for over 90% of your PowerShell needs. That's our goal. But in the end, it's the same. It's the same engine, but the experience of using it is a little different. For example, here we can just do some commands in the PowerShell Analyzer. In PowerShell, you only get text back, and again, you can use functions like confirm, and you have a text-based environment to make your options. But over in PowerShell Analyzer, it's all GUI-based. Again, you can run commands, and with confirm and suspend shell, all those nice features, and you have GUI interfaces doing the equivalent things. I see it a bit like this. The PowerShell engine is amazing, and I love it. It has great value. It is like the best movie out, with a great plot, interesting twists, good acting, amazing 3D graphics, and super surround sounds. But the Windows console experience is like watching that great movie on a 9-inch black and white portable TV with bad signal and a scratchy microphone. My goal with PowerShell Analyzer is to provide you a high definition large screen TV with super surround sound, top of the line equipment to listen to your PowerShell on.